Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I want to prepare with you one of my favorite fall soups. It's so hearty and cozy, especially when you're looking for something comforting and easy in the same time. This soup is perfect, especially we're using an instant pot today. And as you see here, we have most of the ingredients we need today for this recipe, and there is a list of ingredients at the description box. The white beans were washed and soaked overnight, and all the vegetables has to be washed too before we start chopping them up. So here I'm only using the white part of the onion, the bulb, and I'm saving the green part for another recipe. These are onions from my garden, by the way. Once I finish chopping up the onions and the celeries, I turn on the Instant Pot and press saute and add some olive oil. And then saute the celery and the onions until they're soft. Next, I'm going to add the garlic and saute for 1 more minute. So before I add the rest of the ingredients, I hit the cancel button. And then I add in the white beans, the tomato sauce, the spices, the Worcestershire sauce, and the water. And last I added the chopped up parsley and some greens from the garden. I used frozen beet greens. And then I added 2 cups of water. Oh, and here I almost forgot the tomato paste. So after I gave everything a good stir, I secured the lid, checked the venting, and then hit pressure cook on high for 15 minutes. After the initial 15 minutes of pressure cooking, I let it slow release for another 15 minutes before I hit cancel and manually release whatever pressure is left in the Instant Pot. If the amount of liquid is more than what you desire, you can always hit saute and simmer it for another 10 minutes. This will help reduce the liquid in the stew. Once ready, top it with sour cream or plain Greek yogurt and serve it with bread, naan, or corn chips. Bon appétit! Please, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell, and leave a comment. And until the next video, please stay safe. Bye-bye.